I'm going to write a program to print the reverse of half pyramid of a number. As you can see in the comment, it will start from 5 and go till 1, and it will print the numbers. So let's start. I have made three variables, I, j, and rows. So in rows, I am going to take input from the user, and then I'm going to start a for loop. It will start from I is equal to rows, and it will go till 1. Yes, and it will be minus minus I, because I have to reduce the number till 1. And again, I will start a for loop. It will start from j is equal to 1, and it will go till j is equal to I. And it will be plus plus j, and inside this for loop I'm going to write a printf statement, and it will print j, and at the end I'm going to write a backslash in the print statement. Yeah, or I have written j in this printf statement because I have, like, the code will, this for loop will run from I and will go till j, will go till I. As it will start from 1 and it will go till I. Okay, in the above for loop, let's say I is equal to 5. So it will go from 1 to 5. If I is equal to 4, then it will go from 4 till 1 to 4. 3, it will be from 1 to 3. So it is reducing. So let's run and check whether the code is correct or not. Let's say I have entered the number of rows till is 5, and it is printing like this. Thanks for watching.